everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please, if this is the first time you are coming across this channel and you love the value we are sharing in this channel, do well to subscribe to my channel so that you will not miss other values that will help. Okay, in today's video I am working on how to remove restriction from your LinkedIn. So some people will now verify their accounts normally using their ID, and LinkedIn will tell them that they are watching on the restriction. Just know that your restriction will be removed soon. In some cases, they will give you a reset password link to help you and change your password, but you will not be able to do it. What you're going to do is that I'm going to paste this link in the description so that you'll be able to copy it, because I found out you cannot copy comments. We now come to this reset link. You have to click it. Okay, you have to click it and then you reset your password. I'll make this video very simple and explanatory at the same time. You click this video or you click this link, you enter your email, then you take you to where you add your new password. That's the first thing. If the link LinkedIn sent to you is not working, or they did not send you any link, you have to do that. Number 2, appeal link. Appeal link I would recommend this appeal link for people that are facing the third restriction or so, because first restriction is very easy to lift. In some cases, first restriction also leads to permanent restriction. So appeal link is for those that have you have wronged them like twice, is your third restriction, something like that. Because after the first restriction, they will tell you not to do something like that. If not, they will not listen to you. Then, if your account remain restricted, you have done the verification, but your account is still restricted, use this remain restricted link. To fill this thing is not hard. I'm going to send a link to help you go through it, read their rules and regulations, and you can get a help from there. Then permanent restriction. If your account got restricted permanently, you have to use this link. And this link that I'm sending you is not when you feel it once, you feel like they not reply you. Keep feeling it at least every week, once in a week. Keep feeling it. One day they must reply you. That one is a must. LinkedIn used to behave somehow. They will tell you that your account is permanently restricted. The same LinkedIn that you come and chat again, that will not tell you we are happy to lift your restriction. So that is it. Another one is if you have a problem, you tell them your problem, because there is this my client. This person lifted her restriction but cannot log in. She's not getting code. So this is the link to use. Go to them, tell them your problem. On Facebook, you can also meet them on this support link. You can also get them here. Explain to them, like the last video I posted on how to explain to them. Like some people cannot upload their ID. Tell them your problem here. They're going to support you. They're going to help you. This link I'm telling you is working. Then normal removal of restriction. Your first restriction, you want to remove your restriction without your ID, or you don't have ID. This is the link to use. And they also have a YouTube guide of somebody that has done this video that will guide you through everything. Then this last link I sent is the hot cake. This last link came out newly. This last link is somebody that gave it to me. It came out newly. This last link. You see this last link? If you are facing restriction, keep filling this last link daily. This last link, the good thing is that even if LinkedIn don't talk to you at all, and they fill this last link, they must say something. That's something they might say might be positive or might be negative. So I keep encouraging every one of us that are facing restriction to do well, to keep trying their best, because I know it's going to work. I'm not sure if I can chat everyone to ask how the unlocking process is going, but I believe if I drop this video, you watch it and also help yourself by doing the thing. Do you understand? So this last one is the hot cake. It is very, very easy, especially if you are facing first restriction. If it is your first restriction, this last one is hot cake. It's like a sure method that if you do this thing, that it's going to work. Do you understand? It's a new link. That's why I know I LinkedIn. If you watch over, you see that this one I numbered them 1 to 10, but this one I just copied them from the person that gave it to me, and the person told me that if anybody that is facing restriction, especially face restriction, does this thing, it's going to get unlocked as soon as possible, like within 24 hours you don't get unlocked. So that's the thing. I believe this video is very helpful. If it's helpful to you, please do it to like my video. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please do it to subscribe to my channel. Also share it to your loved ones that are facing restriction, and also tell your loved ones that you have a genuine agent who rents LinkedIn account. Okay, let me show you people. Okay, this is my LinkedIn group. Let me show you people. Some of you that are saying that you don't know if I'm legit or not, let me show you. Let me take you around in my LinkedIn group. This is people that pay. This is daily payment. We make daily payment, we make weekly payment. For those of you that don't want to stay till the whole week, they're afraid, this daily payment, immediately are renting account, immediately are also receiving payment. And the thing is that this daily payment, it's somehow, because their pay is a kind of small and also a kind of big, because here you can rent 5 months account. 5 months account. This person's account, I think, is even 2 months, but my boss accepted it out of, because I begged him. You understand? So these are people that I paid this morning. As you can see, this is 8:30, and in my watch here we have 8:50. This is another person that I paid. This person is daily payment. He has up to 3 accounts. This person is also daily payment. This person is also daily payment. He's an agent and has many accounts. This person is weekly payment. This person is weekly payment. It's $5. For those of you that think I'm not legit, as you can see, these are people that I've paid. Some of them will react, some of them will not react, because it's normal thing to them. Do you understand? If it's a fake payment, nobody will even react. If it's a fake payment, let me just take care of it, because if it's a fake payment, I cannot continue sending this thing. It is a real payment. If you are thinking I'm lying, you can also join my WhatsApp group. I will drop the link too. When you join this group, you can chat those that are receiving payment to know if it is true or not. Please don't enter my group and start taking my people, because if I found that, just consider that your particular WhatsApp that used it gone, because I must make sure I'll block it. So these are the people I have paid. I'm a legit agent. If you have an account, LinkedIn account, chat me up to rent your account. These are the people that I have paid. These are the people I have paid. It is not fake, dear. It is not fake. It is real, legit. If you have LinkedIn and you have not started any with it, these people that are living are people that don't have LinkedIn, or they have rented to person before entering my group, and they feel very bad for seeing others any. Some of them will be like, I rented to others, I can't withstand looking at seeing others anyway, I just wasted my own. The person rented to a scammer. Me, I cannot help you. So this is it. Okay, I will leave this receipt that I'm sharing with you will convince you not to confuse you that I am a legit LinkedIn agent. Alright, I think I'm tired of scrolling. So this is it. Morning and water for this LinkedIn thing. Because if you're writing it, if you're a student, just know that your daily food is active. Especially my daily agents. My daily agents can handle accounts. Just look at, and we also celebrate ourselves, and each day we have an achievement or something good to celebrate. Alright, thank you for watching my videos. Don't wait to subscribe to my video. Thank you. Bye.